Welcome to Dowse and Clear, the video series that teaches you how to dowse, how to find hidden blocks to your success, your high energy, your health, your well-being, your wealth, and kick them to the curb. Hi there, it's Colleen Flanagan, the Emotions Whisperer and Master Dowser. This Dowse and Clear video is about dry eyes. Now, you may have noticed in some of my past videos I was blinking a lot when I was talking. And I didn't notice it until recently, and I thought, why was I blinking so much, And I wanted to test for it and see what it was and see if I could correct it in any way possible, or go to the eye doctor, who knows which. But I always start out with seeing for myself, what is if there's an emotional connection, and if there is, clear it out, and then see if the condition heals itself. And for you, I suggest go to a doctor first. This does not replace doctor's care, doctor's treatment, optometrist treatment, anything like this. This is just what I do. You can do whatever you want and use this information at your own risk. So the first thing I did is I was wondering why I was blinking so much. And as you know, blinking helps the moisture for our eyeballs. It sort of spreads it around really nice. And I wanted to check and see if all this blinking that I was doing was caused by my eyeballs being dry. So just check here, and I dowsed, and this is quickly how I dowse. I ask a question. If my fingertips come together, that's a yes answer. If I ask a question, my fingertips do not come together. They go below the other fingertips anywhere. That's a no answer. So I just ask, are my eyeballs too dry? Is that why I'm blinking so much? All right. Is this a dry eyeball? Is this because I live in Arizona and it's been very dry here? The humidity is like single digits usually. No. All right. The cause for my dry eyes, then it's emotional. Yes. Oh, lovely. The cause for my dry eyes is emotional. It's a fear. It's an emotion. A fear of some sort? No. Okay, so that's unusual. Usually I test for the 5 fears. Fear of not being safe, fear the bad times will never end, fear of rejection or abandonment, fear of failure, or fear of the consequences of success. So we have an emotion going on here that's causing these eyes to be dry. And you can go through a list of emotions if you like and just see what might be going on. The first thing, as I'm just talking on this video, is betrayal. There's a feeling of betrayal that's causing my eyes to dry. There's a feeling, another emotion that's causing the eyes to dry. So I'm getting that I trusted someone and I was betrayed. So you just crunch down a little bit, drill down a little bit farther and see what it is. These dry eyes, is it both eyes? Caused by betrayal for someone I trusted in love, in money. Okay. So all this information is coming now, and what you would do is just find out who it was, what the betrayal was about, and then just clear it out, clearing your governing vessel meridian, or any clearing modality that you like. You can use Reiki, EFT, emotional freedom techniques, anything like that. I just use a really quick technique, which is clearing the governing vessel meridian by tapping under your nose, flicking your energy like that to break up with your intention as you speak of clearing out those emotions, or just going like this, which clears the governing vessel meridian by running your hand in the reverse direction that it goes. The governing vessel meridian starts at the bottom of your torso, goes all the way up the spine, and ends up here. That's why tapping on there actually clears it out. But I like this one because it seems more effective. So what you could just do is say, I now release all these feelings now and emotions of feeling betrayed by that person I trusted in business, about the money, about him ripping me off, stealing my money. I let all that go now, and feeling like my money dried up, my income dried up, my bank account dried up because of this person who stole from me. I let this go now. Let it go. Clearing it out. Clearing out the feeling of betrayal and releasing all fears of trusting anyone ever again, especially in business and with money. And so it is. As I was doing the clearing, I actually knew who it was, but I'm not going to share that information. If you do a general clearing, you may get some relief. But if you just go ahead and start clearing like I did, and then you might get some information, just a quick little scenario comes to mind, a mental flash of someone doing something or something you did, that's likely the culprit, because for some reason our energy, when we start clearing it, it'll give us little clues and tips to help us along to get the clearing going and get it completed. So I'm just going to check real quick here. Right now, dry eyes. Dry eyes, I want to be healthy. Dry eyes, I want to be sick. Okay, and I forgot to dowse before, so we'll do a little time travel dowsing. 1 hour ago, dry eyes. Dry eyes, I wanted to be healthy 1 hour ago. Dry eyes, I wanted to be sick 1 hour ago. Yes. That's how you can go back and check if you haven't checked. I like to watch my progress and record it in a journal, and then I can write articles and stuff for you guys, or do videos and things like that. So that's why I check. But it's also good to check a percentage. Okay, my eyes now are 100% healthy. My eyes are still a little bit dry somewhere. There's a small percentage of dryness or a severity of dryness, or emotions or something causing the dryness. No. That's how simple it is. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out my website, emorescue.com, and my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, on Amazon, along with a bunch of emotional freedom techniques books that you can help yourself, your others, loved ones, and your beloved animal friends as well. No one needs to suffer or be in emotional pain anymore. There's so much information out there. Find some that really appeals to you and use it, please. It saved my life, and I know it could save yours and your loved ones and your animal friends as well. Thanks again. Peace out. Namaste.